What up, guys? Welcome to DJ Daniel's Java. Uh, Today we're gonna talk about loops. Loops are really important in Java and in any other programming. Loops are really important. And today we just specific gonna talk about only one loop for four loops. Basically, loops help us to reduce our lines in coding and make our coding really beautiful. It can be really appealing. So, in the further delays, let's just get into it. You just open the IDE, your package, you can create a new class. And this class, we're gonna name it for loop, and it's gonna be public. So basically, what happened is just like say that I have to write saying that I love food, right? I love food. I don't know who doesn't love food. So I love food, and I need to type this line for like 6 times, right? One, two, three, four, five, six, and it's look really, stupidly like it's gonna print. It's gonna work. I'm not saying it's not gonna work. It's going to work, but it's look stupid, right? Uh, by doing this, we can do this, or we do the logical way. Uh, which is called for loop, and you can just do this I equals to 0, and I'm gonna explain what I'm doing in this one. And then you can just type it down saying I, and oh, actually not I, we have to print that I lobe, actually love the food, not love the food, love food and Java. Actually programming with Java. I love food and Java. Rare competition. Combination. Oh, not competition. Alright, let's see. Alright, see, I can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times actually, with just single line of code. Right, that's int I. A lot of people don't do that, just because I like to make it universal. Do that. Let's just remove it. We can just make it like this. It's gonna work again. It's the same thing. So it's only 2 lines. I have to write 2 lines and then it's work. Instead of writing these many things type, I just have to write 2 lines. And well, you can do that a lot of different. When you get into more and more complicated programming, you will definitely need that. Uh, in the future, we're gonna talk about nested loop for each loop, which is my favorite loop, while loop and things like that, to discuss how we can use each other loops into each other programming and each other different type of string. Let's just discuss this. For loop has three different elements, three different segments. All right, the first one is the initiation one. For example, like I don't know why we use I. We can use any alphabet. It doesn't matter. Let's say we can use X, and yes, we're gonna use X, 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 right? X, 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 and then it's gonna work. It doesn't matter. So the letter doesn't matter, but somehow everybody is using I, so everybody comes in I. So first you initiate the value, then you tell the program that this value is less than will be this. So in programming language, if it doesn't start with 1, so if it's going to 7, it's gonna start from 0. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is 7 in programming, in computer language. So that's why it says less than 6 or less than 7, so it's going to print like that. And then we have to increment after loop dead. So we are telling the loop to program to, if this condition is true, then do this and then print out the result. So that if the condition is true, program check, okay, it's checked 1 0, x is value 0, x has no So it's basically this x is a 0, and this is making a true condition, so 0 is less than 7. So that's condition true. So what we gonna do when it's 0 is less than, we gonna increment. And how long we gonna increment? Until x is greater than or equal to 7. So that's how the loop will break, and it's gonna end the programming, and then it's gonna print out that thing. So this is a very small short video I try to post on go update you guys for the for loops, and in next videos we're gonna talk about for each loop and then the while loop. So please subscribe the channel. You have nothing to do, just hit that button and press the bell icon. Just kind of keep me motivated that people wants to learn. Let me know if you have any other questions. Until then, DJ is off.